This app is called TalkieBLE. It's an app that makes your phone into a short-range radio, like an old school walkie-talkie. But this time it uses Bluetooth mesh, so the range can expand if you have more Bluetooth devices that are able to join the mesh. So it does not need internet and it's simple to use. It's just demo here. You can see it. There's no Wi-Fi here, just Bluetooth. And then you just set a channel, so the same channel 7, and then just tap to talk. Hello, we are testing TalkieBLE.
Hello, we are testing TalkieBLE.
Yeah, so like that. Hello, the test is received.
Hello, the test is received.
So it uses a voice that is available on your phone, as you can set in the settings. And it also have options to change your names, change your local, and then have some effects.
Hello, this is Emma.
And then just save. And it also has an emergency, so it has a reserved channel wherein if there's a emergency and you don't know which channel to join, just go here, and whoever is also searching for you, they can just go in emergency mode and just say we are searching right now.
We are searching.
So I say boom, and you can also type. You can just say I am here and you send.
I am here.
So that's the nice feature, and there's a good log for this, so it can be useful for your outdoors, since outdoors Bluetooth will have expanded range or whatever short radio kind of communication you can use. So this is the app here. This is the icon TalkieBLE. Check it out.